Welcome to a profound exploration of poverty, a reality affecting millions. Today we unravel the layers of poverty, its categorization, causes, and the current scenario in India. Introduction. Poverty, the absence of basic needs, comes in two forms: absolute, complete lack, and relative, compared to others. Let's dive into the categorization, causes, and solutions. Categorization of poverty. Relative poverty involves those not quite in the middle class, while absolute poverty identifies those below the poverty line, determined by factors like calorie consumption and government-set expenditure criteria. Vicious circle of poverty. Understanding the vicious circle of poverty is vital. Low income leads to low saving, investment, and productivity, perpetuating the cycle. Breaking it requires supply-side and demand-side solutions. Poverty in India. India, home to over 800 million people in poverty, faces challenges like high infant mortality, malnutrition, child labor, lack of education, and the threat of HIV/AIDS, especially impacting children. Poverty line in India. The poverty line, considering calorie-based estimations and minimum expenditure criteria, is tackled through three approaches: enhancing economic growth, specific programs, and meeting the minimum needs of the poor. Major causes of poverty in India. Causes include rising population, less production, underutilization of resources, economic inequality, and political and social factors, creating a complex issue. Poverty alleviation methods. Methods like controlling population growth, increasing employment, reducing economic inequality, land reforms, and social security measures aim to alleviate poverty. How poverty feels to children. Understanding the emotional toll on children is crucial. It leads to worry, unhappiness, frustration, exclusion, and limited opportunities, affecting their dreams. Government initiatives. The Indian government initiated measures like Food for Work, Swarnajayanti Gramin Rozagar Yojana, and the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, along with social assistance programs. Current scenario of poverty in India. The COVID-19 pandemic threatens to push millions into poverty, emphasizing the need for effective measures to counter this impending